Today we're talking to Dale Cate and discovering what attracted her to the creator opportunity.
What attracted me originally was not the business opportunity. I had done several direct sales businesses in my life and I had retired and I thought, I just want to do what I want to do when I want to do it. And that was what actually attracted me to Magnolia is one, I could do what I wanted with it, and it was affordable. And there was no monthly or quarterly minimums that I had to meet like I did in some of my other businesses. So I like that. And I like that it was for all age groups. I just thought it was something that my great granddaughter can do with me, my grandson, my daughter, and my friends.
Was there anything about the creator opportunity that surprised you?
So to be able to create and feel pride in what I've created is great. And I'll tell you a quick story. I did bunches of festivals, previous businesses. The first time I set up with my Magnolia creations, I was petrified because I thought, what if no one buys them? That's I can't do anything, but I sold out, so I'm happy. So it really helped my self-confidence, and I really love helping other people find their creativity. They'll say, oh, I can't draw a stick figure. Well, guess what? You can still create with Magnolia. Because I can create my own personalized things that I don't see on every Hobby Lobby or Dollar Tree shelf.
What have you enjoyed about being a creator?
One thing that I wanted to mention is all the new friends that I've made in this. I didn't join for friends, but it seems like since I've moved to a new town, those friendships are very important to me. But also, this has given me the opportunity to meet new people in my town as well. So if you like to have fun, grab a kit and have a make and take, or just together with some friends and have fun and craft.